To fix a missing 1095-AE file reject in TurboTax. Follow these steps. First, understand what a 1095-A form is, which is a health insurance marketplace statement that shows you had health coverage. If you are experiencing an e-file reject, it means the IRS is unable to verify the information on your tax return. Step 1. Log into your TurboTax account and select the tax return that is being rejected. Next, review the rejection notice to identify the specific issue causing the problem. The notice will indicate if the issue is related to the 1095-A form. Step 2. Verify the information on your 1095-A form, ensuring it matches the information on your tax return. Check for any discrepancies in your name, date of birth, or policy numbers. If you find any errors, correct them and try to e-file again. Step 3. If the issue persists, you may need to add or correct the 1095-A information in your tax return. In TurboTax, go to the Health Insurance section and select Add or Edit 1095-A. Enter the correct information from your 1095-A form and save the changes. Step 4. Once you have corrected the issue, try to e-file your tax return again. If you continue to experience problems, you may need to print and mail your tax return. To do this, go to the File section in TurboTax and select Print and Mail Return. Best practices to avoid e-file rejects include double-checking your information for accuracy, ensuring you have all necessary forms and documents, and e-filing as early as possible to allow time for corrections. By following these steps and tips, you can fix a missing 1095-AE file reject in TurboTax and successfully file your tax return.